Hi, my name is Alex Ramirez. Hope you guys can hear me okay. Um, so currently I work for the county in child welfare. I work on the hotline, so we take calls from mandated reporters from the community on any concerns for child abuse and neglect. What I hope to get out of this course, I always found trauma to be very interesting. I would love to be able to just learn as much as I can in this class, ways to approach people who have experienced trauma, signs, symptoms to look for in people who are experiencing trauma, really just ways to try to figure out how to work with individuals who have been exposed to trauma, and picking up those cues to see if they're going through trauma. So I want to be able to just learn as much as I can about trauma and how to apply whatever we learn in this course in the field that I'll be going into, which is child welfare. And it goes on to the next question, why I think studying trauma is relevant to my future career, because it's important to be able to recognize those signs, to see what level of trauma these people are in, or what causes them to be in that state of trauma. I understand people who have trauma, they don't forget what's happened to them. Not with, maybe if they're really young, they may not remember it, but they've been exposed to trauma and something has happened. But I want to be able to just apply what I learn in the future to my career course, whether that's in child welfare or just with anybody who has experienced trauma. The next thing, name 3 ways that I'll take care of myself in the semester. I think just really being able to just take time out for myself, whether that's spending time outdoors with my kids, going to the park, or spending an hour at the gym to kind of just clear my head at the end of the day between classwork and schoolwork. So the gym, spending time with my kids, spending time with my pets, and just spending time with family really is what helps me to kind of just stay sane, I guess, with all the responsibilities that I have and in this course. So I think those are ways that I would be able to keep my mental sanity and to just kind of relieve some stress. Thank you so much.